Today I will discuss with you how to plan MRCP thick slab, and look here the protocol. At first open protocol and showing here the image. This one is the transverse image. So this plan will be on the sagittal and transverse images. And look here, this one is the pancreas, and look here this area. Now that this patient is gallbladder is absent right now, and now I check the image, look here, and now I set up the planning following anatomy and physiology. Now again check and look here, the finally set up this image right now and showing here the parameters. Is and everything fine. Now apply. Okay, now showing here the image right now, and this is the pancreatic duct, and look here. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video.